Alright guys, welcome back. Same old thing as the other days, but thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. Probably just go show you some of the supplies we got, what we're going to be putting in here, because literally doing the same thing, just stripping wires all day, so nothing new, nothing exciting. But it was a good day, and going to have dinner with my friends tonight, so that kept me going. So yeah, it went by pretty quickly, but I'll go show you some of the supplies we got and then probably call it a day. And I closed the window in the other room, so I'll probably go open that back up just for sakes. Anyways, I'll be right back. All right guys, so here's the material room right here. These are the heater grills for the heaters. These are the panel covers for the panels. Hopefully I can put those in one day, that would be sweet, just to throw those in. That would spice things up instead of stripping all day. Heater covers are the worst. Panel covers are fun, sorta, I don't know. Kinda just want to do something different for a little bit. But then we got the dimmer switches over here. So those are nice, which is why we're stripping them straight, because we'll just put them behind the plate and screw it down. So here's the dimmers. Here are the GFIs in the bathrooms or by the kitchens. And we got the stove plugs right here, these straights, and then we got more switches right there. Just your regular tamper-proof plugs right here, and looks like the plates as well. A few plates right there for the plugs. More plugs. So I just kind of unboxed all those, not me, but someone else. More plugs right there, more plugs over there. And these are heaters, I believe, and the thermostats right here. So these go right above the heaters to turn them on, and these look like the guts itself, I believe. So heater box only, so whatever that means. Anyways, here's the panel, here's the heater right there. But anyways, yeah, so someone else made these all up, so anyways, that's probably gonna wrap it up, guys. Don't want to keep it too long, waste your time. You get the idea of what I've been doing. Probably, I don't know if I'll be doing it tomorrow, but we'll see. Hopefully I can switch it up, do something. Kind of get bored of it a little bit, but it is what it is. So thanks guys for watching, I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe. See you guys back here tomorrow for one more video. I'll probably go stop by the house in a little bit, maybe right after work right now. Go see what they've done. It's been a couple days. Maybe they got insulation or sheetrock started, I don't know. But anyways guys, God bless and awesome rest of your day. Check the description for anything else down below, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys, peace out.